Hi, welcome to Educare Parents Portal. I'll be guiding you on how to view your child's results. On your dashboard, select the child to view details. Scroll down a bit and click on Results menu. The system loads a result list for the current session. Click on the particular term's results you would like to view. This may take a few seconds to load. Now view results. Templates as customized for your child's school. You can also view result insights to enable you to do a detailed analysis of your child's results against class average and against the class highest score. Above on the dashboard, there is an academic performance breakdown of the previous term. Here you can see your child's strongest and weakest subjects. Upon clicking on any of these subjects on the academic performance, a breakdown of continuous assessment and performance in each appears. Thank you.